Let's examine this question on the board. The question is 2 raised to the power of n is equal to y. Find the value of 2 raised to the power of, in parentheses, 2 plus n over 3. How do we attempt this question? The first thing we have to do, let's write solution. Now in this question on the board, the evaluated value is this. Now we are going to compare this evaluating value with the law of indices, which is called the multiplication law of indices. Note that in the multiplication law of indices, if we have a raised to the power of n plus n, this could also be written as a raised to the power of n times a raised to the power of n. Now we can compare this with what we have here. So from here we have 2 raised to the power of, in parentheses, 2 plus n over 3, bracket close. This could also be written as, from the law of indices, 2 raised to the power of this, 2 raised to the power of 2 times 2 raised to the power of this, 2 raised to the power of n over 3. Take note of this, that if we have n over 3, this could also be written as n times 1 over 3. They are the same. This and this are basically the same. If you multiply n by 1, we have n over 3. Now let us split this into that form, and we are going to have that 2 raised to the power of 2 times 2 raised to the power of n dot 1 over 3. We have 2 raised to the power of 2 times 2 raised to the power of n 1 over 3. Now let me pause at this stage. Looking at what we have on the board, before we can continue solving this question to the final result, let's check back what was given to us. 2 raised to the power of n is equal to y. So our aim is to ensure that we have 2 raised to the power of n in this expression. But on the board we have 2 raised to the power of 2 times 2 raised to the power of n, then times 1 over 3. If I put this in bracket, it will look like this. 2 raised to the power of 4 times 2 raised to the power of n raised to the power of 1 over 3. Since 2 raised to the power of n and this 2 raised to the power of n are the same, we can simply say that let 2 raised to the power of n be y, according to what is given in the question. If 2 raised to the power of n is y, then that means 2 raised to the power of 2 times y with raised to the power of 1 over 3. And 2 raised to the power of 2 means 2 times 2, which is 4. So the final result is 4y raised to the power of 1 over 3 is the correct option. And the correct option is option A, 4y raised to the power of 1 over 3.